Let us learn everyday things. This is a hairbrush. This is an ice cream.
This is a wall clock. This is an plant.
This is an envelope. This is a cake.
Shopping cart.
This is a color palette.
This is a tap.
This is a sock.
This is a joystick.
This is a crown.
Dumbbell. Newspaper. Monitor. Key. Magnifier. Airplane. Armchair. Thermometer. Band-Aid. Guitar. Satellite. Scissors. Clouds. Ball. Joystick. Laptop. Globe.
This is a car. This is a candle.